is Renee and welcome back to my channel. We ready to go out to eat. We did like a paint and sip earlier. It was so cute. We watched Intergalactic. We painted these. This is my one. And then this is hers.
Baby, if it's only tell me, am I saying too much? And baby, if it's only tell me.
Okay, so this is a Don Julio Sunrise, and then hers is a Hennessy strawberry puree. Just on that big bomb. Or two of those. This one is good. Coco who? The other one was good too though. Like, which one better? The first one was better. I'm just gonna save that for later. I'm so drunk now. I think I look cute though. I always look cute. What am I talking about? Hey love, so it's about 2 days later since I went out or whatever. I don't know if it's just been me, but I've been feeling so like, I'm gonna just say down, like unmotivated and like not wanting to really do anything too much, but we got to get the fuck out of that. Like, I don't even play that shit. Like, but yeah, so I got just a small little to-do list that I'm trying to do today. So okay, so this is our little to-do list. So yeah, basically the things that I have to do today is I need to clean this kitchen. I'm trying to do like a deep clean on the kitchen because I plan on getting groceries tomorrow. So I really want to deep clean my refrigerator. I also have on here to make me an actual grocery list so that I can know what I'm getting from the grocery store. And then the last thing I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna content plan my content for the month of March. Before I even start all of that, I really need to order me something to eat because I'm hungry and I'm not gonna cook nothing today because I'm gonna get my groceries and stuff tomorrow. But yeah, I'm ready to get right on Uber Eats and just figure out what I'm ready to eat right now. I'm really trying not to pick Chipotle. Ooh! I'm really trying not to pick Chipotle or Chick-fil-A, but it's like I be feeling like I don't have nothing else to eat. Like, no, I don't know what I'm gonna eat, but I gotta eat before I get into cleaning and planning and all that shit. So I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. Alright y'all, I'm about to start cleaning up. So I'm gonna start off with the fridge and then I'm gonna get into everything else.
You've been on my mind, what if you won't mind? We're doing bad anyway. I like your soft side, I like you on top. You make my heart stop. You make me less hard, got to quit my job. When you take it, that's just how you gotta do. I'm addicted, that's why I keep calling you. Diamond boy, why you so shiny? Diamond boy, gon' get behind me, whoa, yeah. Diamond boy, your light so blinding. Baby, if it's only tell me, am I saying too much? And baby, if it's only tell me, am I saying too much? Baby, if it's only to tell me, am I doing too much? Baby, if it's only to tell me, it was only to tell me.
Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this. Play to the back, over and over again. Sweat change, but I know this the end. I want you on scene.
so I just finished cleaning the refrigerator, so now I'm ready to just straighten up the rest of the kitchen, and then after that I'm gonna make some tea. So yeah.
Got tired of your shit, you almost show my eyes. Don't say your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause my house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out the light. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to be. That's why you think I left but one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost show my line. Don't say your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause my house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out the light. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 on my yard. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. But you the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, trying to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need right now. I really need time. I need a
Y'all, I've been watching this new show on Netflix. It's called Running Point. So I'm finna finish watching this. I'm on episode 5 right now. It's only 10 episodes, but it just came out this year in 2025. It's basically about this family. It's like a family of kids, not kids, but they siblings or whatever. It's like 5 or 6 of them, and they basically run a basketball team. The president was one of the siblings, and he ended up being an addict, so he went to rehab and he left their only sister in charge. And now she's running a whole basketball team. It's basically drama and shit because she's a girl running a basketball team. But it's real good. It's funny and shit, but yeah. But y'all already know it's Friday, February 28th. So y'all already know that means a new month is ready to start. So that means we need to content plan for the month. I've really been trying to stay on track with, before the start of a new month, I try to content plan my videos just so that I can be as consistent as I can, like, because I seen that when I plan my videos out, it's like I know which videos I'm doing, so I know when I gotta get a video out every Sunday. So Sundays will be my posting days, so we go plan our content for a video for YouTube every Sunday for March. And to content plan, y'all know I'm gonna be using my planner. I just write down basically the title of the video, or basically what type of video that I'm doing, on the date that it should be posted. That's what I'm gonna write in here. On my iPad, writing down the content, and basically what I'm gonna do is when I write down the title, I'm also gonna write down the date, and I'm gonna write down the key points that should be in that video, so that I kind of got an idea of what I'm gonna be recording when it's time to record said video. So yep, we just ready to get right into that. While I watch this show, I'm just gonna let y'all watch me kind of content plan. So yeah, let's get into it.
Oh, I shared our challenges with Valerie.
I'll be thinking said he couldn't take over here. I realize I fucked up. I'm so sorry. Let's just get out of here and we can talk about it. Well, thanks. The term is called shared. Translated to English, it means inevitable. My inevitable. Soulmate, I'm ashamed. I will go in love. Okay over there? Developed and eating. Wasn't cool. Exactly. Did.
But when your dad treats you like an adorable friend, and then screaming when they didn't live up to it. No! Wait! Why
I just finished planning my content for March. So what I did was, in this book, I basically just wrote down basically the basic title for each video and put it on the date for Sunday. On my iPad, I wrote down my content plans for March 2025. What I did was I basically wrote down the basic title or whatever, what date is going to be posted on. I put key points. Now, I basically give myself a rundown of what's going to be in that video. Content planning is easy if you already know what content you want to record. I think the hardest part about content planning is probably figuring out an idea of what to record. That's really all that I was planning on doing today. I plan to wake up early tomorrow morning and cook some breakfast. I want to just start my day a little bit early tomorrow. I don't really know what I'm doing tomorrow. I was thinking about going out with my cousin, so I might do that tomorrow, but I do want to start my day early and eat breakfast in the morning because this whole week I've really been slacking on waking up early. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, I've been waking up super late. But I love y'all so much. I will see y'all in the morning. I'm finna just finish off my night and just relax, and I will see y'all in the morning when I'm cooking breakfast. So bye. Good morning, y'all. So it is the next morning.
Try Hawaiian roll French toast, and this is your sign to do it now.
So yeah, that's what I had seen on TikTok, and I really want to make those because I love me some French toast, and y'all already know. And Hawaiian rolls is just already good as a bitch by themselves. So yeah, I'm just gonna get into cooking, and on the side I'm gonna cook some potatoes, eggs, bacon.